front motor is getting hot.
Good chunk.
Big rock here. Jesus, we went up this?
Yep.
Holy shit. I thought we were done with the big rocks.
It's a big pile of them. Yeah, that's where we stopped. Check the rocks out.
Alright, we are leveling out a little bit. Alright, now I can do it. But where do I turn around? Maybe it would be better if I let Chuck do it, because I suck at it.
Gotta save your ankle. Let it do the work.
The Chuck is much better at it than me.
Yeah.
I need to find a place to turn around though.
I think around these trees right here, it's pretty flat. Like right there.
Is there any cactuses there?
There might be, I don't know.
There's not many cactuses I don't see.
They're just little ones.
Well, should I?
Oh yeah, you could easily. Oh yeah, the turn radius on this is good. Just easily go back up here.
Well, I know there's no. There aren't any over here, so I can just go forward as well. I'll do that. mountain bikers. I'm gonna see this. Oh, they won't hear it. Where's that lip? Not even there yet? Oh, here it is.
Oh. Broke a stick. Does it have to slide down it? Just let.
Well, my concern is the rear. Wait.
You're gonna take a picture
Yeah,
of it?
I want to get a picture like this. Scared to get out though.
Is it gonna start rolling?
That's what I'm afraid of because it's not like a gear selector to put it in gear.
It's not moving anywhere. I'm gonna take a picture.
Do you want to take a picture?
Okay, I'll go take a picture.
Incline too steep. Yeah, it's a.
Oh.
What was
It
that?
just broke the door.
I hope not. You alright?
It's very steep over here.
I can tell. I can't get my seatbelt is stuck. Can you make sure that my, oh, you have a ton of dirt on your pants.
Yeah, that's where.
Can you make sure that the back doesn't hit?
I'm gonna take a picture.
Oh. Well, you can take a video. Let me know when you're ready.
You get one from that side.
Oh, why? No, I'm not concerned about under the truck. When the rear wheels get to the bottom, I'm concerned the bed will hit. The overhang behind the rear wheels.
Go towards the right. The only sharp part is this one.
Are you going to take a video? Let me know when you're ready. Is it close? Oh, it's close. Oh, that's fine. Alright. Come on in, Arissa.
dirt is sticky.
Yeah. Can you get in?
Ugh. Ah,
Slamming the door.
I didn't slam it. It dropped. Now it's gonna be dirt all inside your interior.
Dang it. Well.
No, I didn't really fall. It's just like a slide of dirt. It's like, yeah, it came within like 8 inches of the ground, but
Oh, okay.
it's pretty good.
Now I have an idea of all the angles that it can handle.
Oh, the magpies are watching.
I bet they are. I don't think this is a thing anymore. I think it's been blocked off.
private drive.
Let's have a look see over here to see if there's any damage. And I want to get out of off-road mode. How do I exit off-road mode?